Hi everybody! Naturally curly hair and permed hair do need moisturizing. That's why I have used the Revival Cream for moisture repair. That's the daily moisturizer. And then a soft bundling of the curl, I've used the CURLUP Perfecting Lotion. After I dried it completely in, I have used the HAIRPLAY Dry Texture Spray. So this new hero, you can really nicely break up the curl by keeping it natural. You should try it, it does really work well on dark hair. If you are interested in more KMS information, go on kms.com, or for more cool videos from a lot of stylists around the world, go on our KMS Pro YouTube channel.